Hey everyone, I'm diving into a momentous event today as Zimbabwe's President Mnangagwa heads to Pretoria for a significant political ceremony. Yes, we're talking about the 2024 inauguration of South African President Cyril Ramaphosa. Now, inaugurations in themselves are grand events, filled with pomp, circumstance, and a glimpse into the political and cultural landscapes of a country. But this isn't just about the glitz. It's about the dance of diplomacy and the subtleties of power that play out on such occasions. President Mnangagwa's attendance is particularly noteworthy. Zimbabwe and South Africa share more than just a border. They share a complex web of economic, social, and political ties. Mnangagwa's presence at Ramaphosa's inauguration symbolizes a gesture of solidarity and, perhaps, an intent to strengthen these ties even further. But let's zoom out a bit. This inauguration isn't just a national event. It's a stage where regional and perhaps international strategies are crafted. With representatives from the African Union, the UN, and various other international bodies attending, the air will be thick not just with celebration, but with conversations that could shape the future of the region. And amidst all this, there's the human angle. This isn't just about the leaders, it's about the people they represent. How will this event affect the ordinary citizen in Zimbabwe or South Africa? What messages do their leaders convey through their interactions and speeches? So, as we witness this grand event, let's keep our eyes open not just for the ceremonial, but for the substantial shifts and statements that will echo beyond the confines of the inauguration venue. It's these nuances that often herald significant changes or reaffirm existing bonds in the complex ballet of international relations. Thanks for tuning in. Stick around for more insights into how political events shape not just nations, but the lives within them.